Hey guys, so it's been a minute. Um, I don't know. I could spout out a range of excuses, from schoolwork being a lot to losing my knife, but sorry for not uploading for a while. Yeah, I'm gonna try to be more regular, but I can't promise anything because I stay I stay pretty busy with school and stuff. So, but today I wanted to do a tutorial on this move right here. Called the Kiss Goodbye. Oops, messed that up. Here it is again. Let's see. Yeah, that's the move. Sorry about the bad quality. I got to record inside today. It's pretty rainy outside. But this tutorial, it's a fun one. This trick, I would say that really the only prerequisite would be the index rollover like this. Because you're gonna have trouble on the end of the move if you can't catch it like that and do that rollover. But to start the move, what you do is you need to get somehow into this position right here. So you can do that however you like. Probably the way that I go the most is let's see. Well, nope, I don't know. I don't know how I get into it. I just kind of do. But you can get into it from like a fan. That works well. So like if you're fanning, you can just, you can bring the fan back like you're about to close it like this. And you can just bring it over your index finger. That's probably how I would recommend doing it. What you're going to do then is you're going to rotate this handle down like that so that you have it in this pinch-like grip like this. So you're going to get like this, rotate it down, and then this beginning part was like a really weird motion for me to get down. It took a lot of practice because it felt just so strange to go like that, but you'll eventually get it. So you bring it down and you bring it up like this, and then you're gonna bring it down. I don't know why it's like that, other than for you to get your middle finger or your wait, sorry, let me do the trick. Now I'm psyching myself out. Yeah, I don't know. It's just part of the trick, really. I guess you could do it without it, but I have always seen people do it like that. It makes it easier to get your index finger in there. So that's basically the next step. Is that after you get it like this, you're gonna after you go up with your thumb, you're gonna want to put your middle finger in the handle. I guess that's what this movement is for, is to get your middle finger in the handle. And then when you bring it back down, you should be holding it like this. So you went from here to here. And you just did that by doing that motion. So once you're right here, what you're going to do is you're going to put your index finger in like this, and you're going to bring it over like that. So all that is you're just maybe, if you don't quite have the hand strength yet to just do that, then you can do a little sideways motion like that to bring it over. But you're gonna want to get it so that you're holding it like this. Like here's it from the side. So let's see. So let's recap. So you go get your middle finger in, get your index finger in like that, and then what you're gonna do is you're gonna bring it down like this. So you're holding it like this, and then you're gonna swap out your fingers like this. So you're gonna swap out your index finger for your ring finger, and then you're going to bring it up over your middle like this. So now you have it on your middle finger with your ring finger holding it, and you're going to bring it down. Okay, so now you're holding it with your middle finger on the outside and your ring finger on the inside. All right, and then this right here, we're getting up to the first, what I would say, really challenging part of the trick. There's two challenging parts, I would say. I would say that, so right there can be challenging, and then this index rollover can be very hard when you're starting out. Took me a while to get it smooth, but So just to recap, so over your index, up on your thumb with slipping the middle finger right here onto the safe handle, down, index finger in, blade out, back down, so you're just rotating it like this, rotate down, swapping out the fingers, rotating it back, and then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate it down, okay? So I think this is where I left off, was right here. So then you rotate it down. Oh, no, I left off right here with your middle finger on the outside, ring finger on the inside. Then what you're going to do is you're going to swap these fingers. So in this trick, you swap fingers like this a lot. So if you have not done like a ladder type trick like this, it can take some practice to get that finger dexterity and strength to be able to swap them. But you're going to swap like this, and then you're going to get it so it's over your ring finger like that. So you were here, and you brought it down, and you put the pinky in, and you brought it over again. If you lack the hand strength to just do that, you can do that. You know, that little bit of that sideways motion like that. So once you're right here, this is like the end of the ladder. You're at the bottom, and then you got to get back up. So you're going to rotate. Okay, so what you're going to do is you're going to push down with that pinky. And I like to curl in my ring finger just a little bit. Just like that. Just so you can be able to get your middle finger in like that. Okay, so you're going to push, and it's going to rotate around your finger, but that's good. You want a lot of rotation here so that this part is easy. Then what you're going to do is you're going to continue that rotation. This is the hard part that I think could be considered pretty challenging. Is you have to rotate it up like that. So you have to go from your ring finger on the outside and your middle finger inside. You want to close it down over your middle finger. Okay. Oh wait, let me make sure it's right. Yeah. Okay. So just to recap from the start. Middle finger in, over index, back down. Over, down, over, now back up. So you go up like this, all right? Now you're holding it like this, and you're gonna get it up on your middle finger. All right, now here comes the rotation. So the first spin is right here, okay? So what you're gonna do is you're gonna let it hit, and you're gonna let it do, almost like you're about to do middle finger chaplains. You're just gonna let it hit and then spin around. Sorry, my camera quality. Sorry, the room is a mess, gee whiz. But a little stress ball and shoes and chips on the floor. But you're going to let it rotate over your middle finger like that. So it's going to rotate all the way like this. Or it's not really a full rotation actually. It's just a very slight rotation. But you're going to have to be able to slip your ring finger out, and then you're going to grab it with your index finger. And then from here you get into that you know, so you can get like this and then do whatever you want. Basically, you just want to get right here, and to finish it from right here, you know, because you could just go up like that and then do whatever. But to finish it, all you do is you're gonna swing it around like that, and you're gonna let it. Sorry, it's hard to do. It's hard to do this kind of trick slow because it's, you know, it's building a muscle memory, you know. But after you get it rotated around the middle finger, you can just go in for the index, close like that, and I'll try to link a good tutorial of an index rollover. I'm sorry, I gotta readjust my hand because I don't have one. But I'll link a good tutorial in the description. So to recap, you go out, bring it up, bring it down, thumb there, up, ring middle finger in, down, index finger in, over, down, like that, and then it's just stepping down. You know, it may look kind of awkward, and it kind of is awkward, but after you do this trick for a while, it'll just kind of flow naturally. Like, it makes sense to go down. It works. It works really well once you have it. You know, you can get this trick really smooth, and I think it looks really nice. And you know, later you can do you can do like variations like that. And then you can get into some really fun stuff. But that's all stuff for another day. But yeah, sorry that I'm kind of scatterbrained and stuff. You know, I had a Christmas party today at the little place I go to for school. and had a ton of sugar, and now now I'm like crashing from that. But that's really the trick. If you need any help, just say so in the comments, or DM me on Instagram. I'll leave my Instagram username down there, and I can make a video, a mini tutorial for you on whatever you're struggling with. So I hope this video finds you well, and Merry Christmas or Happy Holidays or whatever to you. Okay, bye.